Okay, so here we have the new bar slash breakfast nook installed where the old stuff used to be. I finished the table and my wife really loves it. She's really happy about this. She really liked the way it came out. You can tell it has a really nice solid finish. I wish you could see it a little closer, but it's pretty shiny. I don't know if you could see that. Anyhow, this is another project stuff that I know how to do. It's next to another chopping block that I built when I was in high school. I've had this thing for many years. I'm 55 now, and I built this in high school. So it's been around for quite some time. But I wanted you to see the new table I built. Slash bar slash breakfast nook. Really nice, ain't it? Compared to the way it was. And this is some of the stuff I do. And we put a cabinet here for some of my wife's stuff. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.